Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn profile URL to make it more professional and easy to share. A personalized URL help you stand out and strengthen your online presence. So let's see how to do it. First, open LinkedIn. There are two ways to go to your profiles. One is by clicking on your profile photo, and the other is by clicking on your name. After going to your profile, on the right side, you will see public profile and URL. Click on the pen icon next to it. Now, the public profile setting page will open for you. On the top right, you will see Edit and Custom URL. From now on, you can customize your LinkedIn URL as you like. Once you have entered your name, click on Save, and your URL will be changed. And that's how you can change your LinkedIn profile URL to something more professional and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Al Kausar for more important tips. See you next video. Thanks for watching.